Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I thought that with Christmas coming up soon, it would be good to talk about some of the phrases that we have around Christmas and maybe use some of them in Te Reo Māori. So one of the most common ways of saying Merry Christmas in Te Reo is Meri Kirihimete. Meri Kirihimete. And we're putting a break after each vowel as we always do. Kirihimete. Meri Kirihimete. And as you can probably hear, that's just a transliteration of the words Merry Christmas. So that was just something that was listened to by Māori when people said Merry Christmas and translated into the sounds of Te Reo Māori. And if you want to say Happy New Year, the most common way of saying that is this part means new, hu, tau is year. So te tau hu is the new year, te tau hu, and this is greetings, and that's sort of the way to say Happy New Year. And this means greetings. Ngā mihi o te tau hou. And then ngā mihi nui o te tau hou is another way of saying big greetings. So a really happy new year. And if you want to join that together, you can say Meri Kirihimete, me ngā me for and, me ngā mihi nui or ngā mihi o te tau hou. That's how to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And so a couple of other things to talk about are some other words that might be around. So Christmas bells, the word for bell is pere. And so if you wanted to say Christmas bell, you would say pere kirihimete. If you wanted to say Christmas card, you would say kari kirihimete. So you put the Christmas word after it. We would say Christmas card, but in Te Reo they get swapped around. Kari kirihimete. So what about Christmas paper? Would be pepa kirihimete. And chocolate would be tiakarete kirihimete. So that's a bit of a mouthful. What else might there be? Oh, whetū. Christmas star, whetū kirihimete. So whatever word it is to do with Christmas, oh, here's another one, rākau. So the Christmas tree is rākau kirihimete. So whatever the word is, you just put Christmas after it to describe it as a Christmas thing. All the best for Christmas. I'll be talking to you again before then, but hope your festive season is going well. Ka kite.